What's up, guys? Today we changed out a 410A Air handler. This was a Goodman, just out of warranty, probably about 6 months or so. Coil started leaking, and the guy had a 2-year-old Rheem 3-ton 410A condensing unit. So we went back with a Rheem 3-ton R454B front return air handler. So just a quick video here just to show you that it does work, and there really was no issues. Basically physically the same size, and component wise, I mean, you're basically working with a 410A system. It just, other than the few little bells and whistles they put on there, it's really not a big deal. So here's the video. Couldn't get too much audio there because dogs were barking the whole time. So here it is. Hope you enjoy. All right, so here we are with the new air handler installed. It's basically the same physical dimensions. There's your refrigerant monitor down there in the bottom corner. I didn't change any of the wiring, just left it as is, left it all connected. Has the X13 motor. There's your board for the heater and the speed control. And the only other thing is the expansion valve. Oh, there's Mr. Dog, not barking this time. The expansion valve there, it is marked 454B. You can barely see it, but it is printed right there. And other than that, it's basically 410A system. This is a startup. You can see there, subcooling is 6.2, 6.3, and our superheat 15.9. It's definitely a 410A system. And like I said, it's only 2 years old. All right, so looks like we're gonna have to add a little 410A, but you can see system seems to be running fine. Don't think there's an issue. I know there's no issue. All right, so the temperature split's really good. It's 56.8, 77 return.